chapter's wheel.
Here is a question from Light. Assertion: refractive index of glass with respect to water is greater than 1. Reason: relative refractive index will be always greater than unity. Let's check the assertion statement first. Light is traveling from water to glass. Glass is the denser medium. Ng is greater than Nw. Relative refractive index of glass with respect to water can be written as NGW is equal to Ng upon Nw. We know that Ng is greater than Nw. Hence, the relative refractive index of glass with respect to water, NGW, will be greater than 1. Hence, the assertion statement is true. Now, let's check the reason statement. Already we have seen that relative refractive index of glass with respect to water is greater than 1. Now, let's see what is the refractive index of water with respect to glass. NWG is equal to NW upon NG. And we know that NW is less than NG, so NWG will be less than 1. Hence, the reason statement is false. Relative refractive index will be always greater than unity. That statement is wrong. It can be less than unity also. Now we got the answer. Assertion is true and the reason is false. Relative refractive index can have value greater or less than 1. But remember, absolute refractive index N is equal to C upon V of any medium other than vacuum will be always greater than 1 because C will be always greater than V.